Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use effects in Paint 3D. So if you want to do it, you need to import here an image or you need to insert here any shape. So for example, I will insert here 2D shapes. So I go to 2D shapes and I click maybe on this one icon to insert here hexagon. I draw here simple hexagon. Of course, you can change the color of this hexagon maybe to red. And now if we want to add here a simple effect, we need to click somewhere outside the box. Now we need to go to effects and here we can insert one from available effects. For example, I will select lavender and how you see it looks something like that. We can try different effects. We can check candy effect, we can check maybe taffy effect, or maybe we can click on sound effect. And remember that we can always adjust lighting here. It is light wheel, so you can control the lighting effect. Everything depends on your preferences. So in this way you can easily insert effects in Paint 3D. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.